Hi my lovely friends, welcome to our colorful drawing channel. Today we're going to draw something super cute. A little black kitty hiding inside a happy pumpkin. Isn't it adorable? Now let's see what colors we'll need. Orange, red, gray, black. And then we'll start our drawing together.
3, 2, 1.
Like and subscribe. Good vibes are even stronger with you.
Wow!